What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to manage your finances and budget with the Claude so that you guys can actually go without budget deficit. So over here, you guys can see that it says act as an expert financial advisor. I'm, declaring the role for the ChatGPT. Sorry, the Claude, my bad. And over here, it says household monthly income. I'm going to show it in the PKR because that suits best. You guys can select your own currency. 100K for the mortgage, 100K for the utility bills, and the insurances. Variable expenses are the groceries, fuel, dining out, entertainment, and personal care. Save for the family vacation. Uh, if budget framework is up to the Claude and the family size is just a couple. So this is a detailed breakdown how it goes. Total fixed is share of the income is 66.7%. Groceries and the other variable expenses would take like 20% off it. So these are the target notes. Straight jacket if groceries run to 32,000 1 month, pull to extra 2,000 from the dining out rather than from the savings. So over here you will see that 13.3%, 40,000 PKR, family vacation fund monthly 25,000 share of the income. Emergency fund is 15,000, 5% of the income, which is total 40,000, 13.3%. And over here, if you guys, your stated goal is the vacation, so it gets larger share, but I have craved out an emergency fund too because of plan. So this is how it goes. Everything mentioned out, where to optimize without losing the quality of life. This is how we should spend without the X factors and all that things. So this is how it goes. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.